When excellence seems to have reached its limits, Kawasaki pushes these boundaries with the new CL series. The new CL series, offering a variety of payloads and reaches, Kawasaki Robotics introduced a fresh and agile approach to collaborative robotics. There's always room for innovation when it comes to Kawasaki. So Timo, could you tell us a little bit more about the CL series?
The CL series are our cobots in our portfolio. So they are set up and developed to be very easy in programming, easy installation, and applicable for a wide range of applications.
So Timo, what is new on the CL series?
We spent the last month listening to the market, so we updated and improved our applications like the welding application. We implemented new applications like the vision-assisted bin picking system, and in parallel we are now working on a new model range up to 30 kilogram payload and with up to reach of 1.80 m.
And what makes Kawasaki Cobots different from the others?
To be honest, I think the biggest difference is the mixture between both worlds. So we have on the one side Kawasaki Robotics with its decades of experience in the industrial robotics market, and on the other side we have 𝗪𝗶𝘁𝗵 who has a long experience in collaborative robots. And the mixture of both brings the best of both worlds together.
As a robot programmer, what I like most about the CL series is the new software from Kawasaki. Much more user-friendly, where you can see all the robots and also easy to program, so anyone can learn how to do it. Designed for flexibility, built to last, ready for real work. With Kawasaki Robotics, you are in safe hands. Experience unmatched reliability with the new CL series Cobots.